Hey friends, welcome to another unboxing. Just got this sent to me for free. Kind of a little surprise thing here. And basically what they are is just a bunch of cake decorating numbers and letters. So I believe that's an A. It's kind of fancy. You can use these for cutting fondant and stuff like that. Roll out your fondant and then press this onto it and then take the letter out and place it on a cake if you want to. Or if you just want to put these things right onto the cake itself and use that as a decoration and spell out the person's name. And it comes with all the letters in the alphabet as well as numbers 0 through 9. So there's the numbers and letters, and they're all kind of fancy looking. These run about $10 on Amazon. I'll leave a link in the description below if you guys want to check it out. I am an Amazon affiliate. I do get kickbacks if you guys purchase stuff from my links. It does help support the channel. I appreciate that. And like I said, this was sent to me for free. Just kind of to do like a review video on it, and that's what I'm doing, just kind of showing you what you get and what it can be used for too. So pretty cool. If you're into cake decorating and stuff like that, this would be an easy way to put somebody's name on there. And well, hopefully they only have one of the same letters of the name if you're going to put it on there. But as far as the numbers, but if you are into using the fondant, and a lot of people like doing that crazy decorating and stuff like that, this would be a nice way to cut out some fancy letters for you. So different ones like that. All right, I'll leave a link in the description below if you guys want to check this out on Amazon. Thanks for watching this short little unboxing video. Everyone have a great day, and we'll see you next time.